Hello, all. How are all of you? If you have joined as couples, so I would really appreciate because not only mother but father also has the equal role to play. Okay, so if you have joined together, I express my deep respect and gratitude that both of you have joined and are taking the equal responsibility. There are thousands of webinars in pregnancy, but this is not a webinar. This is something which where we are going to experience, where we will be experiencing few meditations, few stories. I would encourage you to share your stories, how your pregnancy journey has been, right? So, for all of those who are not able to join with couple, that means with partner, don't make it heavy for yourself, my dear. That's what I can tell you. Because if your partner is not able to join, that doesn't mean that they are not ready to take the responsibility. That only means that they have equal responsibilities outside. They are equally occupied outside. So, yes, this is partnership. You are doing this part of partnership and let them do that. The only thing I would encourage is when he returns back or whenever you are there and whenever you people are talking to each other, do discuss the insights which we have discussed over here. Although the meditation part you will not be able to do, although the experience you cannot be able to share as it is, but yes, you are the representative here and you can absolutely be the one who is directly taking this to the baby. Okay. So never, you are here. That is more than sufficient for me. And for those partners over here, I really appreciate your presence because when a mother is carrying child, dear fathers, you are carrying mothers in you. So I can understand how much a great responsibility you are taking off. You are not only taking off your responsibility as a father, being the earner of bread and butter, not only you are taking the responsibility of the main strong pillar of the family, but you are carrying the pregnant women, and that is more than sufficient. I really appreciate your efforts as well. So even if you're not able to join, please don't take it to your heart. I know you are equally busy. Okay. So shall we start? Why we are taking Guru Shishya session on Guru Purnima long before your baby is born? How many of you think, or rather, I will just modify my question. When does parenting starts? Right. Mother is the first guru. Mother is the first guru, and since not only mother stand as a guard for the child, right? So before we start, I really want to ask you something. In Happy Mom, Happy Baby sessions, I always explain you that what do you think? Are you able to consciously teach your child? Are you able to teach consciously? See, I'll share my screen. That would be sanskar. But which type of sanskar are you putting into? Are you able to see my screen? Yes. So when I say that when all of us parenting, yes, decides to welcome the baby, Soumya, you are too good. Uh, Please, I'll express my apologies if I'm not able to read the your chat at that proper appropriate time. Yes. So when we are actually addressing pregnancy, the woman who is pregnant, many of the fathers, many of the families, they first ask the questions to me is, मैम स्कैन तो कर रहे हैं, रिपोर्ट्स भी नॉर्मल है, बाहर से भी ठीक ठाक खा पी रही है, तो फिर ये वाला पार्ट क्यों? And to those, you also need to understand so that you can explain. See, whatever visible pregnancy is, okay? What is it? Weight, scan, nutrition, blood test. Every parameter is monitored physically, right? Now tell me that these are the parameters which are responsible for the physical growth of the baby. Now tell me that what are the invisible parameters which you need to transfer to the baby? Love. Is there stress? What type of thoughts you are into? आपका relationship कैसा है? सिर्फ partner से ही नहीं, about everyone. How is your relationship? What would be this invisible pregnancy? आपको क्या लगता है सिर्फ विजिबल प्रेगनेंसी ही मॉनिटर करके हम बेबी को प्रॉपरली ग्रो कर सकते हैं, उसका फ्यूचर ग्रो कर सकते हैं? What about the thoughts, relationships, safety, connection, and belonging? Yes. Now tell me that which of these two circles are going to shape baby's future? Obviously, the invisible ones, right? Obviously, the invisible ones. Now, second one. Now tell me that when the mother is stressed, everything may look completely, perfectly all right from outside. Okay. But if there is a prolonged stress, what would be the neurotransmitters which are secreted from the brain in the body? Cortisol? Yes. And that has a complete placental passage. पूरी तरह से वो क्रॉस कर सकता है प्लेसेंटल बैरियर और उतना ही हाई लेवल ऑफ कॉर्टिसोल बेबी के ब्लड में जाता है. Now tell me, all of you, how many of you have actually monitored the thoughts which are there frequently inside you, the emotions in which maximum of the time you are into? Have you monitored that? No, right? So here, when baby is going to be born, and when you are not aware of the types of emotions and types of thoughts you are getting into, tell me how come we can be able to regulate our baby's emotions? How come we will be able to regulate them? So, when Garbha Sanskar or Guru Shishya relationships are discovered, Ayurveda, as an ancient wisdom, it has guided us through mindfulness, working on your emotions, working on your relationships, foods, music, mantras, positive thoughts. They have guided each pregnancy journey with this. For thousands of years, our traditions have encouraged mothers to nourish the mind and emotions. And now, modern science is validating it through nutrition science, fetal development, medical care, emotional well being, evidence based practices, and technology. And the most validating part from the modern science which has come up is the epigenetics. How many of you know what is epigenetics? Yeah. Epigenetics means it is a science which explains us that whatever state mother is into for the longer duration, same is copy pasted in baby, and other genes responsible for other behavior are switched off. To explain this with a simple example, आपका रूम है और यहाँ पे बहुत सारे switches हैं. If I want, I can put on all the switches with my convenience, and with my choice, I can put on certain things and put off certain things. Similarly, in the baby, DNA structure being same, each and every behavior is expressed based on particular genes. Are you able to understand my point? Okay. So when mother is in continuous compassion, gratitude, joy, happiness, what happens is, what happens is, one second. Yeah. So what happens? The genes which are responsible for gratitude, joy, happiness, abundance are expressed in baby too. And the genes which are responsible for some stress or something, some negative emotions, they are switched off. And it happens vice versa as well. Okay. So now why is it important? When I'm talking about the medical science, why is it important for parents to be regulated first before the baby comes? Can anyone tell me how many neurons does a baby brain has? How many neurons does a baby brain has? Can anyone tell? Here, doctors are there. Dr. Priya Jain is there. How many neurons are there? Correct, Deepika. Yes, I was expecting Dr. Priya to answer. Exactly. It is not that number, but it is 80 to 100. And how it is happened? Like, is baby born with complete matured brain? पूरी तरह से उसका ब्रेन मैच्योर रहता है? आई विल शो यू कि उसका ब्रेन कैसा दिखता है बचपन से, so that it would be easy for you. And why is it important for us to be into that particular state, and the baby's brain, how is it dependent on you to develop? And why is it important for us to, like parents, to be up to the mark before baby is born? So let me share my screen first so that you are able to see. Are you able to see my screen? Now tell me one thing. From millions of neurons, not completely mature, after internal and external environment. Exactly. Thank you, Dr. Priya, for responding. Why we need to address pregnancy period is, pregnancy period is the golden period where brain stimulation takes place. What is the opportunity for you to develop baby's brain is, as you are seeing, 2000 days of child's life. How it happens? At birth, baby is born only with neurons. Okay. For example, I'll just tell you कि आपने एक पूरा सिस्टम लिया है. There is computer, फिर उसके साथ में कुछ स्पीकर्स भी है, some hard disk is there. पूरा एक अच्छा सिस्टम है जो कि आपको आपका पूरा जो काम है वो करने में मदद करेगा. So you have each and every unit, but if it is not connected, will that make any sense for you? Will that make any sense for you? अगर आपने उसको कनेक्ट ही नहीं किया है तो. Similarly, baby's brain has the neurons, but ये जो synapses है ना, आप देख रहे हो, the sparkling areas, ये जो synapses हैं, इनको डेवलप करने के लिए हमको ब्रेन को स्टिमुलेशन देना होता है. We need to stimulate those. और ये कैसे स्टिमुलेट होगा? इट डिपेंड्स ऑन व्हाट मदर इज डूइंग. अभी आप बोलोगे कि हाउ कम इट इज पॉसिबल मैम कि जो है मदर करेगी और वो बेबी को जाएगा. सो डियर टेल मी वन थिंग. Baby is in the womb, right? But is it developing only on the basis of your womb? No. You are the dear goddesses who are into the creation of life. Universe is creating a life through you, but who is providing the raw materials? Raw material is provided by you people, right? So whatever stimulations you are doing, in whatever brain waves you will be into for the longer duration of time, similar copy paste is going to happen in baby. So like cognitive functions, uh, inter uh, interlobe functions. Similarly, the synapses or the left and the right brain stimulations, their alignment, the functions related to left brain, to the logical brain, to the cognitive brain. If a mother is doing these activities regularly during pregnancy, the same areas may be auditory, may be related to the vision, may be related to the speech, Broca's areas. All these specific areas are getting stimulated, and so it is completely in your hand during pregnancy that how you are able to develop baby's brain. और इसीलिए हम लोग प्रेगनेंसी पीरियड में ही we give a specific sort of flashcards, a specific sort of brain stimulation, which when mother does, it stimulates baby, and epigenetic influence उसमें होता है because the way the work and the activities you will be involved into, similarly it is going to be in the baby. And so pregnancy period becomes the foundation of the skill development and subconscious learning. I always emphasize, who is the first guru of your baby? Tell me in the chat box. Who is the first guru of your baby? Tell me in the chat box. Everyone will say mother. Some will be some mother and father. Right? Mom and dad. Exactly. But what I would say here is, I would like to correct it. And that is why, my dear mother's inner child, correct that you got it right. Yes, I will correct this here because you know what? And that is why, my dear fathers, your role becomes very much important. Like when you are in live bloom, I always take father's session separately, orientation of father separately, not also with mother. The reason being, some of the mothers over here are very strong and very up to the mark. They are able to take care of their things. They are able to take care of themselves, their baby, the family, the work, everything. But few mothers really need that support. Few mothers really need that support. Yes, Dr. Priya is telling mother self, because mother, whatever teach or express, fetus conceives all the signal. Absolutely. So for some mothers who have come from an environment where childhood was little challenging, they need some healing. And my dear fathers, you are the anchor. Yes, Amrita, you need to heal. Why, क्यों heal होना जरूरी है? आप लोग को सबको भगवत गीता एंड महाभारत पता है? सभी को पता है? Yes, 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 yes. All of you know. Now tell me one thing. आप लोग अपने बच्चे के लिए कृष्णा वाला पेरेंटिंग बनना पसंद करोगे, और यू वुड लव टू बी अ पेरेंट लाइक धृतराष्ट्र? पूरा साइकोलॉजी गीता में, आई लव व्हेन आई टीच माय ब्लॉसम्स भगवत गीता. दैट इज द बेस्ट पार्ट आई कैन से, और दैट इज द बेस्ट पार्ट इवन मदर से कि नहीं मैम सब कुछ तो सारे क्लासेस में मिलता है, बट द वे वी आर लर्निंग भगवत गीता ओवर हियर इज डिफरेंट. ऑब्वियसली कृष्णा, राइट? बट यू टेल मी, कभी कभी Maybe without awareness, we do become Dhritarashtra like parent. Obviously, Krishna. जब आप कॉन्शियसली मैं आपसे पूछ रही हूं तो आप कृष्णा को ही चूज करोगे, आप कृष्णा कॉन्शियसनेस को ही चूज करोगे. बट टेल मी, कांट यू सी इन योर सोसाइटी और आपके आसपास में कि देर आर सो मेनी धृतराष्ट्र लाइक पेरेंट्स, देर आर सो मेनी दुर्योधन कॉन्शियसनेस वर्किंग एज पेरेंट्स. मे बी समटाइम्स बिकॉज वी आर नॉट अवेयर ऑफ इट डियर, राइट? अगर मैं पूछूं सारे मदर से कि आपके को कैसा बच्चा चाहिए, एनीवन इन द रूम विल से और एनीवन इन द वर्ल्ड विल से कि नहीं मैम, मेरे को तो है ना एक एवरेज बच्चा चाहिए, मुझे ना एक बहुत ही बढ़िया सा स्ट्रेस्ड बच्चा चाहिए जो बहुत मस्ती करता हो, जो बिल्कुल भी मेरी बात ना सुनता हो. विल एनीवन इन दिस वर्ल्ड विल से एनी टाइम अबाउट द एक्सपेक्टिंग चाइल्ड? I can give in written that no one will say. Then tell me why we are seeing, why at my clinic also when I'm seeing early childhood development, why I am able to, why I need to address children who are so impulsive, who are with some behavioral issues, impulsive. क्या उनके पेरेंट्स ने वैसा बच्चा मैनिफेस्ट किया? No. Subconsciously it happened. How subconsciously it happened? Because parents never introspected themselves what kind of energy they are carrying, what kind of frequency, what kind of relationship, what kind of environment they are building around the child. Are you able to get what I want to say? Second thing, नाउ टेल मी, जो अभी मैंने अभी आपको स्लाइड दिखाया थोड़ी देर पहले, 2000 डेज विंडो पीरियड्स, एपिजेनेटिक्स, वैलिडेशंस एंड एवरीथिंग, ये सारा कुछ करने के लिए आपको लगता नहीं है कि आपका स्लेट भी क्लियर होना चाहिए? यू नीड योर स्लेट टू बी क्लीन फर्स्ट. If you are into so much of emotional blockages, you are so much emotionally dysregulated yourself, you are so much anxious or you are so much into the state where you every time you are reacting, you are not creating that space for responding. Can you teach child all of these, that what is regulation, you don't need to react, you need to respond, you should understand the situation first? Will you be able to teach child? आप कभी ऐसा बता पाओगे बच्चे को? Yes. So the question, I have been in stress a lot, very negative thoughts, pain I have gone through in the pregnancy. I try to read holy books, but still 70% of pregnancy has been in stressed pain. I'm afraid how it will impact baby. People generally enjoy pregnancy, but due to relationships issues, I have been affected badly. I have 2.5 months hardly left. Can still I wipe off negativity and stress from baby? I try to do pranayam, laugh, read books, listen God related things, draw puzzles. Dear Amrita, you are doing a lot of things, but you know what? When such situation arise, you need someone to hold your hand. Randomly, you are doing everything. Yes, it is going to help, but when you come into the system, you come into the trial and tested strategy and the roadmap you get, 100% it is possible for you to wipe out, because as you come near to your delivery, the exponential growth is happening in the baby. And if you're working exponentially, the newer neurons which are going to form can wipe out whatever the baby has experienced in previous months of pregnancy. Okay, so the golden period is pregnancy time, as I have told you. But again, what is the extended period where you can work with your baby? Anyone? Dr. Priya? 4 to 9 months? Yeah, somewhat it is correct. Yes. So it is for actually the second part is from birth till 5 years and 6 years. That is again a perfect window period where we can work on baby. Now I'll share one more thing with you, which actually will make you understand what is the pyramid of learning is all about. Are you able to see my screen? Okay. How it develops, कहाँ से शुरू होता है जब बच्चा हुआ है, like after delivery you have got baby, newborn baby. From where it will start? From the top of the pyramid or from the bottom of the pyramid? From the bottom of the pyramid. यहाँ से sensory stimulations शुरू होते हैं. ओके. तो यहाँ से जब वो सेंसेस डेवलप हो रहे होते हैं, तो वहां पर क्या होता है कि जब हम, बिकॉज अ न्यूबॉर्न कैन नेवर अंडरस्टैंड ना दैट व्हाट वर्ड्स आर, व्हाट वी आर टेलिंग. बेबी इज ओनली अंडरस्टैंडिंग थ्रू द एक्सपीरियंसेस. एंड हाउ द एक्सपीरियंसेस, हम कैसे एक्सपीरियंस करते हैं? भगवत गीता 15th chapter, Vayur Gandha Nivashayat. So 15th chapter explains that I am the only one who is experiencing life through the five senses and mind. तो इस तरह से बच्चा जब इन्फेंट है या न्यूली बॉर्न है तो वहां से वो लर्न कर रहा है. स्लोली द न्यूरॉन्स आर गेटिंग कनेक्टेड, कनेक्शंस आर मेड, और धीरे धीरे कोऑर्डिनेशंस, फाइन मोटर न्यूरॉन्स, ग्रॉस मोटर न्यूरॉन्स आर फॉर्म्ड, और वो धीरे धीरे डेवलप होते होते वो इंटेलेक्ट तक पहुंचता है, वो एकेडमिक लर्निंग तक पहुंचता है. नाउ आई वांट टू टेल यू, आई वांट टू आस्क रादर माय डियर पेरेंट्स, आप बताओ मैक्सिमम पेरेंट्स कहां पर अपना एफर्ट्स डालना शुरू करते हैं? मैक्सिमम पेरेंट्स अपना एफर्ट्स कहां पर डालना शुरू करते हैं? When they start putting their efforts on baby. Exactly. Academics. एकेडमिक्स में आते आते जब उनको पता चलता है अरे ये तो ठीक से पढ़ नहीं रहा, ये तो ठीक से कर नहीं पा रहा, उस टाइम पे हम एफर्ट्स डालना शुरू करते हैं, और तब तक ऑलमोस्ट 6 years निकल चुके होते हैं. सो माई रीजन टू टेक दिस सेशन नाउ इज you are still in the golden period. ये तो grace period हो गया. This is the grace period. Now tell me, when you are going to work in this golden period, can you not only just develop a baby with complete potentials, but you will be able to have a greater area and greater effective grace period where you can just take baby, if it is baby is born with 6, you can take baby to 10. तो ये पॉसिबिलिटी बढ़ जाती है. और अब आप मुझे बताओ कि ये पॉसिबिलिटी के लिए सिर्फ मदर रिस्पॉन्सिबल है या फादर भी रिस्पॉन्सिबल है? दोनों रिस्पॉन्सिबल है, राइट? बिकॉज ये दोनों का मिलके एक पार्टनरिंग है. When mother's voice makes baby relaxed, makes baby comfortable, फादर का वॉइस उसको एक डिसिप्लिन भी सिखाता है, ग्राउंडिंग भी सिखाता है. करेक्ट? सो फादर, यू आर इक्वली रिस्पॉन्सिबल. सेकेंडली, चाइल्ड साइकोलॉजी में फादर सबसे बड़ा रोल क्या प्ले करता है? हाउ द फादर इज ट्रीटिंग द मदर. आप अपने पार्टनर से कैसे बिहेव कर रहे हो, अपने पार्टनर को कैसे ट्रीट कर रहे हो. Child is learning that how I need to treat people, how I need to treat my mother, how I need to be socially. Right. So everything is important. Okay. Yes. So this is very important, my dear mother and father. I don't want to ask you, आप अपने बच्चे को क्या बनाना चाहते हो? I want to ask you, what are your qualities which you want to pass on to child? What are एक अच्छा इंसान, ऑब्वियसली एक अच्छा इंसान सभी लोग बनाना चाहते हैं, लेकिन उसके लिए हम किस सिचुएशन में है। लाइक, आई डोंट नो वेदर हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू हैव seen that story of Thomas Edison. स्कूल के टीचर्स की तरह अगर पेरेंट्स ने भी बोल दिया होता और पेरेंट्स भी फ्रस्ट्रेट हो गए होते थे, जैसे आजकल के बहुत सारे पेरेंट्स मेरे पास आते हैं फ्रस्ट्रेशन में ही, कितनी बार बताया लेकिन नहीं सुनता है। यस, एथिकल एंड रिस्पॉन्सिबल सिटीजन, दैट इज वाई व्हेन अ मदर इज empowered, when a father is standing behind that mother, obviously the nation is going to get the best of the citizens. तो अगर वो लोग भी बोलते हैं कि नहीं ये तो बच्चा बिल्कुल नहीं पढ़ रहा है, चलो छोड़ दो, गिव अप करो, उन्होंने इतने सारे एक्सपेरिमेंट्स करके हमको इतनी सारी चीजें दे पाए होते थे? नहीं। सो बिफोर any other person on the earth's plane is able to understand your child, are you ready to explore all the potentials of your baby? Are you ready to understand what are the potentials your baby is born with and how you will be able to nurture it? आप दोनों लोगों के बीच में कोई इमोशनल फ्रिक्शन है, आर यू एबल टू रेगुलेट इट बिफोर द एनर्जी रीचेस टू योर चाइल्ड? हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू आर? टेल मी. And your baby is understanding everything. And now tell me, write one question in your notebook that 25 years from today, what kind of human being do I want my child to become? Not which school, profession, or country. I'm asking about the qualities. Because all the mothers who have made the vision board, they understand it properly. Right? So I want you to answer that what kind of child you really want. When you are going to go for the school admission, school is not going to increase the neuronal connections. और वो neuronal connections कैसे बनते हैं? Can anyone tell me how the neuronal connections are formed? Doctors in the room? Good-hearted human, right? The neuronal connections are formed through information. Okay? हम कोई भी नई चीज सीखते हैं, एक नया पाथवे बनता है. सिमिलरली जब बेबी को हम 5 सेंसरी स्टिमुलेशंस देते हैं, तो वो हम पाथवे क्रिएट कर रहे हैं. एंड हाउ दैट पाथवे इज गेटिंग स्ट्रेंथेंड? Yes, Rachna, doing lot of good activities, but those good activities are also categorized as the sensory stimulations. So how these neuronal pathways are going to get strengthened? By repetition. By repetition. By repetition, these neuronal pathways are getting strengthened. और जब ये repetition हम किस चीज का करेंगे? The activities which we do. Like in pregnancy, you people might have downloaded many of the apps, might have seen or studied many books, many YouTube videos. This is knowledge. This is you are gathering information. But when you are going to get that transformation into that baby, when you will do, because knowledge or information is only the first step when you are doing something consistently. So like your intention is clear, now you come into the proper strategies with the systems, you are doing that consistently, that time you are going to have the transformation in the baby, right? So for that, mantra chanting helps a lot. See, all these things, अभी मैंने क्या बोला आपको, बहुत सारे ब्रेन के डेवलपमेंट्स हैं. तो ब्रेन का जो है सेंसरी एरियाज में, हाउ मेनी सेंसरी एरियाज वी हैव? कैन एनीवन टाइप इन द चैट बॉक्स? कैन एनीवन चैट इन द चैट बॉक्स? 5 है. ओके, सो विद दीज सेंसरी एरियाज हमको हर तरह के स्टिमुलेशन देने, वन स्टिमुलेशन विल डू, एक तरह का स्टिमुलेशन चलेगा नहीं चलेगा. सो मंत्रा चैंटिंग हेल्प्स टू काम डाउन द नर्वस सिस्टम. स्पेसिफिक मंत्र जो मैं आपको बीज मंत्र देती हूँ, those beach mantra are actually related to all your astronomical studies. वो बीज मंत्र increases the frequency, and engineers in the room, they can understand everything is in energy. Like if you want to listen a song on a radio FM of 98.3, can you just tune into 90.8 FM and then you can listen that song? You have to tune into that particular energy, right? And that is why your frequency is important. So music helps in this, that we are having the brain gym activities for the right lobe, for the left lobe. आपको पता है दोनों अलग अलग फंक्शंस करते हैं. वन इज लॉजिकल, वन इज कॉग्निटिव अंडरस्टैंडिंग पार्ट. ओके, ये एक्टिविटीज होती हैं जहां पर हम बेबी के हर एक पार्ट, हर एक सेंसरी एरियाज को डेवलप कर रहे हैं. एंड व्हाट अबाउट दोज ब्रेन जिम? Like if you open your camera, I can just start show you one type of brain gym which you can easily do if you can, and you can try it out. वो किस लिए होता है? हम क्यों दोनों हाथ से राइट साइड और लेफ्ट हैंड साइड को अलग अलग स्टिमुलेशंस देते हैं? जिससे कि इंटर कनेक्शंस बढ़े, इंटर कनेक्टिंग पाथवेज बढ़े. सो कैन वी हैव वन एक्टिविटी, अ फन एक्टिविटी? I would love for you people to do that. So see, your left hand, thumb and index finger. Do it 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Easy? 1, 2, 3, 4. मुझे भी मजा आएगा if you people are opening and you are doing. Even fathers, even your brain needs some stimulation, some rest, some fun with mothers. और मैं हमेशा कपल्स को बोलती हूँ फादर्स के साथ में करो. ये इजी हो गया हमारे लिए. Now hold this. Then your right hand comes with your little finger and your thumb. Little finger and thumb. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Easy peasy हो गया ये भी. Now do it simultaneously, but the directions are going to be changed. Okay? कैसे? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now show me how many of you are able to do it. मजा भी आती है और इफेक्टिव भी है. नाउ टेल मी, कैसा लगेगा जब हम इतने मजे करके पढ़ रहे हैं, मजे करके स्कूल में सीख रहे हैं? एनी फादर्स इन द रूम? यूजुअली फादर्स बहुत जल्दी कर लेते हैं. I know behind the camera you people are practicing. No worries dear. एक बार में वो नहीं होता है. You can just do it, you can just practice it, and you can have it. Just practice it. और एक बार जब आप प्रैक्टिस करना शुरू कर देते हो ना, तो इट रियली बिकम्स वेरी मच इजी फॉर यू. और एक ही बार में क्या बनेगा? क्या मैंने अभी आपको क्या बोला? इसके लिए क्या चाहिए आपको? प्रैक्टिस, राइट? आपको इसके लिए चाहिए बहुत सारा प्रैक्टिस. और जब आप हर रोज प्रैक्टिस करोगे, यू जस्ट टेल मी कि क्या ये सब अच्छे से डेवलप नहीं होगा? एंड बेबी इज ऑल्सो एंजॉइंग इनसाइड, राइट? Baby is also enjoying inside. Oh, wow, what a fun activity. So, dear mothers, I really want to tell one thing. Even if your partner is with you or with not, the universe has given you the superpower what to guard and what to enter, what should enter inside you, and what you should keep it at a distance. The boundary creation you are having. So, don't just crib कि उसके पार्टनर ने उसके साथ ज्वाइन किया, आपने ज्वाइन नहीं किया. डोंट स्टार्ट फाइटिंग विद योर पार्टनर्स डियर. दे आर डूइंग अ लॉट. लेट देम डू. एंड एनी वन ऑफ यू इन द रूम, इफ यू वांट दैट आई शुड टॉक टू योर बेटर हाफ, उनके साथ में एक सेशन लेना चाहिए, तो सैटरडे एंड संडे आई एम अवेलेबल. यू कैन जस्ट मैसेज मी सो दैट मैं उनका पर्सनल ओरिएंटेशन ले सकूं. Believe me, there is not a lot of things they can do, only few things, but they are going to be very positive on your pregnancy journey if they understand that how to do it. Okay? अब हमने न्यूरोनल पाथवेज कनेक्शंस के बारे में बात की और बात किया कि किस तरह से हम जब स्पेसिफिकली उसको रिपीट करते रहते हैं तो वो न्यूरोनल पाथवेज हमारे जो है स्ट्रांग बनते हैं. अब यहीं पे एक बहुत बड़ा की है कि मैं जो आपसे पूछ रही हूँ कि आर यू इन रेगुलेटेड इनफ टू नर्चर योर चाइल्ड. अब ये जो प्रोसीजर है, इंफॉर्मेशन एंड रिपीटेशन इज एप्लीकेबल फॉर बोथ ऑफ द थिंग्स, good habits as well as bad habits. Now tell me, around you, how many people are there, how many parents are there complaining कि मैम बिना टीवी के तो ये बच्चा खाना ही नहीं खाता है, क्या करे? नहीं तो बहुत रोता है, या फिर throwing tantrums. And that is why you tell me कि जब बच्चा वो करने लग जाए तब हम उसको सुधारने में ज्यादा एफर्ट्स लगेंगे, या फिर हम उसको करने से पहले ही अगर हमें पता रहेगा वो मैनुअल कि बच्चा ये टैंट्रम्स कैसे ना करे, दैट वुड बी बेटर फॉर अस. So before becoming guru of your child, are you really a good student to learn everything? I will tell you one example. बच्चे को मॉल में लेके गए पेरेंट्स, ठीक है, और वहां पे बच्चे ने कोई स्पेसिफिक टॉय देखा, उसने मांगा. मदर और फादर दोनों भी हैं, दोनों ने मना किया, बट चाइल्ड स्टार्टेड टू क्राई, जोर जोर से रोने लग गया. एंड यूजुअली फादर्स इन द रूम, आप लोगों के लिए ये बता रही हूँ, आप लोगों को है ना दिमाग को, यू वांट द पीस ऑफ माइंड, यू डोंट वांट समवन टू बी क्रैंकी प्रैंकी और ईटिंग योर हेड. तो जब वो बच्चा चिल्लाने लग गया तो आपने क्या कहा, वेट वेट वेट, दे देते हैं, दे दो यार इसको, जो चाहिए वो दे दो. तो अनविलिंगली आपकी वाइफ को दिलवाना पड़ा वो चीज. तो ये इंफॉर्मेशन बच्चे के ब्रेन में गई कि मैंने कुछ मांगा, मुझे इन लोगों ने नहीं बोला, तो मैंने चिल्लाना शुरू करना है, तो ये लोग मुझे दे देते हैं. ये पहली बार गया. दूसरी बार फिर बच्चा किसी ऐसी सिचुएशन में है, आप लोग सोशल जगह पे हो, मे बी किसी की शादी में गए हो या किसी फंक्शन में हो, और वहां पर बच्चे ने फिर से आपसे कुछ मांगा, आपने पहले मना किया, लेकिन बच्चे ने वापस से वो चिल्लाना और सारा ड्रामा शुरू किया. एंड यू डोंट वांट टू बी, यू नो, आपको अपना सोशल जो एक थोड़ा सा परसोना है वो बचा कर रखना है. सो अगेन यू गेव, बच्चे का न्यूरोनल पाथवे स्ट्रांग हो गया कि यस ये तो ट्रिक बहुत काम की है, मैं जब भी ऐसे चिल्लाऊंगा तब तब मेरे को मिलेगा. नाउ टेल मी हु इज नर्चरिंग दिस टाइप ऑफ बिहेवियर इन द किड. अननोइंगली आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड, लेकिन कौन कर रहा है? पेरेंट्स कर रहे हैं. आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट यू. You are the parents who have chosen to learn, and I'm sure you are not going to be the ones. लेकिन कुछ लोगों ने जब वहां काम नहीं किया है तो ये किया. So that is why I want to tell you, become aware of what your child needs. Become aware of what it really wants at that particular time. become aware of how to nurture a child so that the child is able to grow with perfect growth, compassion, love, safety, able to do mistakes, able to get up, able to run again. Got my point? And why we are learning this now? Because becoming first guru, what you are going to teach, if you will teach with complete consciousness and awareness, absolutely you are going to nurture a child who is having the potentials to become APJ Abdul Kalam or Nelson Mandela or Swami Vivekanand, Mother Teresa, any one of these. There are so many in the list. Please forgive me if I'm not taking out all the list. Many of you have put in your vision boards also. Isn't it very nice? And isn't it the bulb on type BO in the bulb, chat box if you feel that yes, this was something we never was aware of, we never thought of. Pregnancy is not just related to be for this 9 months and just understanding something and going on. No, it is a life of 95 to 100 years compacted in this 9 month. Whatever you are nurturing today is going to multiply tomorrow, day after tomorrow, and thereafter. So, if you want to nurture a child who is intelligent, responsible, good human being, compassionate, full of joy, you need to nurture those genes. Open the switch of those genes now, not afterwards. Great. Okay. We are going to do another brain activity. V, V shape. That means this is a rabbit. Okay. And you are shooting toe. Okay. Now this and toe. And now do it spontaneously. Toe, 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 toe. Do it. Yes, this is the rabbit. This is the gun. Shoot. This is the rabbit. This is the gun. This is the rabbit. This is the gun. Correct. Correct. When we do it fast, sometimes it may happen that we are just doing this or we are just doing this. But that's absolutely fine. That's absolutely fine. Okay? These simple exercises in between your work time are going to increase the neuronal synapses. These are going to increase the neuronal synapses in you as well as your baby. Can you expect a calm and compassionate baby if you are not one? 1 minute, I'm just. Can you? तो एक इंटेलिजेंट बेबी के लिए मदर को इंटेलिजेंट बनना पड़ेगा, फादर को रिजिलियंट बनना पड़ेगा, राइट? ओके, सो द बेसिक theme behind all these things are. I want to explain you, like if you people are able to do, or you can do it with your partners afterwards also. I just want to, one activity for you today is just sit in front of each other and reflect on two things. First thing, first acknowledge what is the best thing the way your partner is serving you for both husband and wife. And the second is, what would be that one thing you would really appreciate if your partner maybe improves on, or some in between things? Can you do this reflection? Because when couples are in front of me, I tell them to do this, live in my session. But since I'm not able to see what is behind the curtain, I'm not actually able to understand that How many of you will be able to do? Okay. Will that do? Type in the chat box that yes, you are going to do that. I'm seeing these chat box here. Okay. Yes. Are we ready for a small baby connection and baby bonding? Yes. So sit comfortably. You can take a back rest. Have a back rest. I'll put on some music, which is going to help us go into that deep connection. Close your eyes. Sit comfortably. Fathers, even you can do this meditation sitting quietly at one place. Remember, keeping your hand on mother's womb soothes mother's nervous system. Baby is still able to be aware of your presence and feel your presence. So even if you have joined from office, you can do this connection. And believe me, it really helps a lot. Comfortable breath in and comfortable breath out. Be in the moment. Be in the moment. You're breathing in and breathing out. Become aware of the thoughts which are coming in the mind. Just witness them. Thoughts will come, thoughts will go just like clouds. You are the sky, still. Imagine a golden light entering through your crown, that is top of your head, moving down through the heart to the womb. Fathers, imagine the golden light entering through your crown, going to your heart, getting the energy, and now you are sending this energy to your baby in mother's womb. Believe me, the energy is reaching. Your intentions are reaching. See and visualize that your baby is smiling at you. A single moment of your presence, that is what baby needs. A single moment of presence. and acknowledge silently. Thank you, dear baby. Thank you for choosing us as parents. Thank you for having trust in us. Thank you for being so patient. Just imagine the golden cocoon in which your baby is thriving. Silently say, I'm calm, aware, I create emotional safety for my baby. My thoughts are peaceful. My emotions are stable. My energy is nurturing. My body is healthy, strong, and capable. Every cell of my baby is growing beautifully. We as parents are connected, aligned, and present. Our home is filled with love and harmony. My baby feels safe, loved, and protected. My baby is growing in peace and consciousness. Thank you, dear baby, for choosing us. Thank you for trusting us. We are ready. We are aware. We are evolving together. Whenever comfortable, you can open your eyes with a big smile on your face. You can rub your hands against each other. Bless your baby. Roll over your face. And you can open your eyes. What did you feel? Type that one emotion in the chat box. One emotion in the chat box. Blessed, compassionate, gratitude, connected, calm. Absolutely. एक बार करने से चलेगा, एक बार करोगे कनेक्शन फॉर्म होगा, रिपीटेटिवली करोगे स्ट्रेंथन होगा. Yes, calm and connected. Yes, while connecting baby is also responding. Absolutely. ये अभी थोड़ी देर में मैं क्लोजिंग टाइम में कंक्लूडिंग टाइम में फिर से लूंगी. आई ask each one of you that how baby is responding. Fathers in the room, Bharat, Praveen, Bhavi. I I have Raj. I have experienced this, and I am 100% sure that when you start communicating with the baby tries to respond. Baby responds to you people a lot. Mothers are amazed कि मैम पूरे टाइम हम इसके साथ में रहते हैं, हाउ कम ये आकर के एक बार बोलते हैं, द बेबी इज क्विकली रिस्पॉन्डिंग. दैट इज योर कनेक्ट विद द बेबी. दैट इज हाउ आपका बेबी का इमोशनल फाउंडेशन सबसे ज्यादा फादर्स आपके हाथ में. एंड स्पेशली अगर वो बेटी हुई. यस, आई शेयर. अगर वो बेटी हुई तो सबसे ज्यादा वो आप से सीखेगी और आपको देख करके वो अपना इमोशनल फाउंडेशन बनाएगी. ओके. यस. सो as we are moving ahead, I want to tell you, I want to share with you few pillars, three pillars basically of your pregnancy framework and in ahead of the future, your parenting framework. Pillar number one, that is, these are the foundations, is calm mind. Yes. Can a calm mind be always guaranteed? Type in the chat box. क्या वो हम हमेशा calm mind guarantee कर सकते हैं? Like just now Amrita has shared beautifully. There is so much of stress, ma'am, in my pregnancy journey. Right? तो event कभी भी आपको बता के नहीं आता. Event is not in your control. Right? लेकिन क्या calm mind एक practice बन सकता है? Can we practice it? Can we practice it? Absolutely, we can practice it. Absolutely. कैसे practice करेंगे? Write them down. First is your breath awareness. जब भी ऐसी situations आ रही है जहां पर you are getting, if we try, we can manage. Absolutely. And I'm proud of you, Bebina, the way you have managed. I'm proud of you. जब भी ऐसे सिचुएशंस आ रही है जहां पर आपको लग रहा है आपकी हार्ट बीट बढ़ रही है, योर ब्रेथ इज गोइंग लिटिल बिट हायर ब्रेथ रेट, आप तुरंत अगर आप ब्रेथ अवेयरनेस 1 मिनट सत्वा विजय रिसेट is what you need to have a calm mind, my dear. Baby is not able to understand. My pleasure, baby, na my pleasure. बेबी इज नॉट एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड कि मम्मा को पापा तकलीफ दे रहे हैं या दादी तकलीफ दे रही है या ऑफिस का बॉस तकलीफ दे रहा है, कौन टेंशन दे रहा है. बेबी को सिर्फ इतना पता है कि मम्मा परेशान है. अब आप बताओ, कैन यू काम डाउन योर माइंड विथ प्रैक्टिस सो दैट द एनर्जी विच इज रीचिंग टू योर बेबी इज कंप्लीटली डिफरेंट in spite of what is happening, what drama is happening outside you. Each mother is not fortunate enough to have a beautiful pregnancy journey. Am I right? Type yes or yes in the chat box. This is a very bitter truth. Not every pregnancy journey is support. But can you cut down the noises for your baby? 100% yes. Type yes or yes in the chat box. No का कोई क्वेश्चन ही नहीं है यहाँ पर. So the first thing is breath awareness. बीच में हम breath awareness ले लेंगे. 1 minute सत्वा बजे रिसेट. बहुत सिंपल है. नाम ऐसा लग रहा होगा. सत्वा बजे थेरेपी इज the psychotherapy which is given in Ayurveda. Sattva, nothing but mind. Avajay means control over mind. How it happens? 1 minute conscious breath. That's it. Second is emotional regulation. Whenever there are something, first you need to name the emotion which you are feeling most of the time. Ma'am, I'm in the panic all the time. I'm too much anxious, sad, joyful, fear, stressful, overthinking, whatever. First name it. और फिर उसके बाद हम डिसाइड करेंगे कि whether it is working for you or not working for you. If it is working for you, dance. If it is not working for you, try to come back to the emotion which is working for you. How is it going to happen? Write down. Reflection. आप मुझे ये बताओ, मैं हमेशा एक चीज कंटिन्यूअसली बोलती हूँ फॉर ऑल माई ब्लॉसम्स. क्या बोलती हूँ? Journaling is important. Journaling is important. Pregnancy does not mean कि एक भी मिनट आपको गुस्सा नहीं आना चाहिए. आ सकता है. और खासकर आपके पास अगर एक बच्चा हो संभालने के लिए तो पक्का आएगा. But how easily, how fast you are coming back to your normal state is what is important. कैसे होगा? Reflection से होगा. Today something happened, you reacted, you got to into your high, you tried and it took some time. When you are reflecting on it, believe me, for the next time, the time duration would be much lesser. And the biggest, the highest emotion to be at this golden window for your neurons to be open, for your baby's neurons to get multiplying very exponential rate is, can anyone guess? Can anyone write in chat box? Repetitively मैं बोलती रहती हूँ. I'm 100% sure at least one of you can write that in chat box. Yes, it is nothing but gratitude. It is nothing but gratitude. Every day, reflections. Every day, 5 gratitudes to be written in your journal. Believe me, that opens immense possibilities for your baby and for yourself to get regulated, to have a calm mind, to cut down the noises which are not working for you. Absolutely right. Yes. Next pillar is your nourished body. बहुत बार आप लोगों को किसी को पता होगा, भूख लगती है तो हम क्या बन जाते हैं? यस, बहुत गुस्सा आती है, बहुत जल्दी गुस्सा आती है. दैट इज, जो ज्यादा चिड़चिड़ा होता है ना, सबसे पहले उसका मैं नरिशमेंट चेक करती हूँ. बाद में उसको मैं ब्रेथ वर्क सिखाऊंगी. इफ द नरिशमेंट इज नॉट गुड, टेल मी, कैन वी प्रैक्टिस ब्रेथ? कैन वी प्रैक्टिस इमोशनल रेगुलेशन? नो. सो nourishment does not means only diet. Diet is nutrition. I'm talking about nourishment. Food is not just calories. So nourishment कैसे होगा? जब खाने को इंफॉर्मेशन की तरह नहीं, एनर्जी के साथ खाया जाएगा. इट वुड बी अ कल्चर, केयर एंड कनेक्शन. बहुत बार हम क्या करते हैं? वी आर स्क्रोलिंग एंड वी आर ईटिंग. नॉट डन. ना तो आपकी बॉडी को पता चल रहा है क्या खा रहे हो, ना तो बेबी की बॉडी को पता चल रहा है क्या खा रहा है. और जब आप पेरेंट्स बनोगे तब आप भी ऐसे ही अपने माथे पे एक स्क्रीन लगा देना, सो दैट योर बेबी, यू आर फीडिंग योर बेबी एंड योर बेबी इज सीइंग टू द स्क्रीन. विल दैट डू? आई ऑलवेज से, क्योंकि मेरे पास पेरेंट्स आते हैं जब बच्चा एडिक्ट हो जाता है, एंड आई ऑलवेज से कि कोई बात नहीं, बच्चे ने एक बार का खाना नहीं खाया तो, लेकिन उसको एटलीस्ट एक मील तो बिना स्क्रीन के ही खाना चाहिए. अब आप बताओ, इज दैट पॉसिबल व्हेन यू विल बी अवेयर फ्रॉम नाउ ऑन दिस टाइम ऑनवर्ड्स? इज दैट पॉसिबल? यस. एंड हियर इज पिलर नंबर 3, दैट इज कनेक्टेड रिलेशनशिप्स. अब आप अगर जॉइंट फैमिली में हो तो जॉइंट फैमिली में तो सभी के साथ के रिलेशनशिप बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होते हैं, बट एटलीस्ट मदर, फादर एंड द बेबी ट्राई. Tell me, and there is no need to tell. Write in your book what is the emotional climate at your home. Do you argue? Instead, is your home a place where everyone feels safe to return? Reflect on the story. If there is some scope of improvisation, try to do that before babies arriving. So today, dear mothers, I'm not taking any of the pregnancy class. I'm just preparing you to be the best guru of your child, whom child can be proud of that. Yes, I got this parents. I'm proud that I have chosen them as parents. Okay. And how all these things are going to happen, how your baby is going to understand your language after the baby is born, the base, the foundation starts now. Conscious connection, conscious communication. You may write down pillar number 4, conscious communication. गर्भ संवाद, नथिंग बट बेबी बॉन्डिंग. अब बहुत सारे पेरेंट्स को लगता है कि मैम कैसे बात करें, अभी तो फर्स्ट ट्राइमेस्टर में है, सेकेंड ट्राइमेस्टर में. Baby is not able to understand your words only. If you feel little bit hesitated to directly talk to the baby, the first thing of perfect baby bonding is music. I have a beautiful culture in Live Bloom. I tell to select one lullaby or one song each. Mother is going to select one and father is also going to select one. So beautiful mothers and handsome fathers in the room. अपने बेबी के लिए एक एक सॉन्ग सिलेक्ट करके रखो. You don't have to play on YouTube. You have to sing that. सिर्फ आप, for fathers, if it is a little discomfort for you to keep the hand on the womb and to sing, no problem at all. You just sit beside the mother, sing that song. मैंने तो बहुत सारे केसेस देखे हैं. आपको वैलिडेट करना है तो अभी से स्टार्ट करो एंड यू विल अंडरस्टैंड कि किस तरह से बेबी पैदा होने के बाद उस सॉन्ग को रिस्पॉन्ड करता है. सो द फर्स्ट वे इज म्यूजिक. सेकेंड इज प्रेयर. Any of the prayer which you believe most into, you can recite that prayer to baby every day before sleeping or after getting up. Third, and the very beautiful part, to make your baby understand of many things, tummy time, getting up time, everything. Okay, so that is through stories. I don't know how many of you believe, but it is a fact that Mahabharata is our history, not the mythology. I hope everyone is aware of what is mythology and what is history. So stories narrated during the pregnancy time are in the memories, inculcated in the memories of baby, even after birth. अब ये stories अलग अलग टाइप के भी हो सकते हैं. I can give you, अगर time permit हो, I'll show the video. What we do when both of the couples are actually involved, बहुत मजा आता है उनके साथ में करने में. And what we do is, I tell mothers to sing their song during the sleeping time. जब भी सोने के लिए जा रहे हो तो आप वो सॉन्ग खुद गाओगे. After telling to the baby that baby, this is night, now we are sleeping, you also sleep in the tummy, and when you are born, this would be our sleeping time. Sing that lullaby and fall asleep. For fathers, I tell that in the morning, if you are having that time with your better half, you sing that song telling that this is the daytime. Now father is going for work and father is going to return within short time. And after father is back home, again that story, the lullaby, the music, the prayer, with whatever fathers you are comfortable with. I have seen so many cases कि बेबी बॉर्न होने के बाद भी वो टाइमलाइन फॉलो करता है, which is usually a big complaint for parents that मैम रात भर जगाता है और जब सुबह होने वाली होती है, हमारा काम शुरू होने वाला होता है, तो उस टाइम पे ये सो जाता है या सो जाती है. You can validate it. Seriously, I'm telling. Okay. So the next pillar I can say is purposeful living. How many of you know what is your purpose of becoming parents? Tell me. आपने वो पर्पस डिफाइन किया? Why we are having baby? Write this question. Try to answer it. Is it only that ये तो एक सोशल प्रोसेस है मैम, शादी होती है बच्चे होते हैं, शादी होती है बच्चे होते हैं, तो ये तो पार्ट एंड पार्सल है. You can have that purpose. Try to make that vision good. Try to define at least 10 skills with which your baby is born. You are going to nurture those skills. You are going to nurture that in your baby. Okay? अब मुझे आप ये बताइए कि जो भी मैंने चीजें आपको एक्सप्लेन की, इनमें से कोई बहुत आउट ऑफ द वे टास्क या आउट ऑफ द वे रिचुअल्स थे? कोई भी एक? Like anyone, you can just type in the chat box pillar 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll revise pillars for you. First is calm mind. ठंडा दिमाग, जो बहुत जरूरत पड़ेगी कब? जब बेबी हो जाएगा. Right? The next one is your nourishment. Okay? Nourishment in every sense. Third thing, third pillar or third foundation is your connected relationship, the environment in which baby is coming. Next comes conscious communication with baby. उसके मैंने आपको काफी सारे अच्छे तरह के connections बताए. And the last one is purposeful living. Your purpose needs to be defined for what you are bringing this life onto the earth. I'm not telling you have to write this my baby should become the army chief or my baby should become the prime minister of India. No, that baby will explore. That baby will explore. What are the potential qualities you want to inculcate in your baby? Because if you want those qualities to be in your baby, first you have to have it. अब आप मुझे बताओ, the fourth one, Rachna, it is conscious communication. It is conscious communication. Yes. अब आप मुझे बताओ कि क्या ये डिफिकल्ट है प्रैक्टिस करने के लिए? Can you work on these 5 before your baby is born into your family? You are holding your baby in your arms. So I can just tell you one thing. अगर आपने ये सब वर्कअप नहीं किया तो क्या बच्चा नहीं होने वाला? होगा. The only difference would be if you're doing all these things, your your pregnancy becomes conscious and your baby comes out of into a conscious, aware family. Hmm? अभी you will tell me, मैम, ये सब ठीक है, बोलने में ठीक लग रहा है, लेकिन अगर हम रियल लाइफ लें तो देयर इज मॉर्निंग सिकनेस, ऑफिस है, ऑफिस का स्ट्रेस है, फैमिली के एक्सपेक्टेशंस है, इसमें ही बहुत सारा फियर है, कंफ्यूजन है, इंफॉर्मेशन ओवरलोड होती है. राइट? तो इसीलिए सिर्फ मन में रख के नहीं चलेगा. ओनली इंटेंशंस आर नॉट गोइंग टू हेल्प यू. You need guidance, you need practice, you need everyday support, you need a system. Because you are creating the need. Need, that means how I can nurture my child, not only now, but after the baby is born. Right? So many mothers expect कि मैम ये सीखना है, and all the other aspects are literally ignored. Now tell me, do you feel that all these aspects, when fulfilled, that time you really become that conscious parent your child needs to have? Your child needs to have. Okay. So, dear mothers and fathers, tell me in the chat box that from tomorrow, One thing I will practice every day is maybe one habit. I want only one commitment. I want one commitment from you on this occasion of Guru Purnima. All of you are really interactive gratitude. Thank you. This is something very important. Even if you are practicing gratitude every day, gratitude is an emotion which has changed so many relationship dynamics. तो जो भी मैं आपको बता रही हूँ, you people are really, really and really, yes, interactive. You people are responding. I can just feel that you people are getting that connect. But tell me what, is this sufficient for the transformation? No. This knowledge can inspire you to do something. And what is going to bring about this transformation? Practice, right? So type P for practice, that I'm going to practice it, ma'am, henceforth. And that is why Womb Wisdom community exists, because it gives you that practice day by day, and day by day. And that is what is important for the transformation in your child to happen. Okay. Now, can I give you 1 minute Sattva Vajay reset? Yes. Yes, Bipina, I have taken that. But, and even you are practicing so many other things. So for all others who are not in the live bloom, but should go with some practices in their hand. So may I give you? Because you get the knowledge, then you practice, you be consistent on that, ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन अप्रोच. मैं बोलूंगी आप 10 प्रकार के यूट्यूब वीडियोस मत देखो, उसमें से कोई एक ही देखो और उस एक को ही पूरा अच्छे से फॉलो कर लो. The amount of transformation you can see would be much more better than you seeing hundreds of videos and following none. Right? Okay. Yes. So today I don't want you to only receive knowledge. I want you to get at least one practice. So anyone wants to drink water or something, you can have it. Yes. Okay. Type ready when we can have that. It will take only 1 minute. Type ready. 2, 3 more ready so that just I can. Yeah. Okay. So for that, close your eyes once again. Take a deep breath in and out. Again, a deep breath in and out. When we close our eyes, be aware of the sensations anywhere in your body. Even if baby is responding, or some itching, some tension in the body, just try to witness. Try to witness every sensation in the body. Great. Breathe in and breathe out. Every breath in, your body is getting the energy, it is getting rejuvenated. And with every breath out, your body is allowed to soften. Now you have to count your breath for 1 minute. One breath in and one breath out. You will count it as one. You will count the breath for 1 minute and I will count 1 minute for you. So start. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and out. Thoughts will come. Your mind will flow here and there. Gently bring back to the moment. Keep counting. I'm just seeing the watch. 1 minute. Whenever you feel that mind is elsewhere, gently bring it back. Continue breathing. Relax. I hope everyone has counted. Relax. Whenever comfortable, you can open your eyes and type the number of breath you took. Type the number of breath you took. Yes, I'm reading number of breath. And if you forgot, if you were not able to count, you can say just NT. You can take NT. So what is your number of breath? NT. Okay. 28, 15, 14. Doctors in the room, how many? 18. Correct. Yeah. Okay. Very good. Perfect. Hope some of you have tried to were able to count. Some of you were not able to. 30. Okay. So now I'll tell you what is the basic concept behind this 1 minute set. We are not brought instant calm. Absolutely. You will experience more of it when you will practice. One experience I'll tell you afterwards, but first let me explain the importance of this 1 minute reset. कुछ लगा हम लोगों को कोई भी जरूरत नहीं पड़ी ना कोई कोई अलग कोना चाहिए एकदम अलग कोई तो भी माहौल चाहिए nothing right what is the basic science behind this when you count your breath even if it is for 1 minute your brain starts to work from your frontal lobe which is your conscious mind बाकी के टाइम पे ब्रेन कहाँ रहता है माइंड कहाँ रहता है वो छोटा मेंदू, किसने नाना पाटेकर का मूवी देखा है? छोटा मेंदू, दैट इज योर ऑटो पायलट. दैट मीन्स यू डोंट हैव एनी कंट्रोल विच थॉट्स आर कमिंग. शुरुआत में मुश्किल होगी. यू माइट नॉट बी एबल टू काउंट द ब्रेथ. विथ प्रैक्टिस इट इज पॉसिबल. With practice, you will see that want, you are most of the time taking deep breath rather than shallow breathing. With practice, you will notice the number of breath in 1 minute have reduced from 30 to 28, 28 to 25. I'm not telling this is your target, my dears. प्लीज रिमूव दैट. कोई टारगेट नहीं है, लेकिन ये मैं बता रही हूं कि आप जैसे जैसे अपने इस जर्नी में आगे जाते हो, यू स्टार्ट टू एक्सपीरियंस इट. मे आई से व्हाट इज माई 1 breath count, 1 minute breath count? It is 6. When I practiced, when I started to count, for me also it was 30. So see, हम हर रोज जी रहे हैं, हम हर रोज इतनी सांसें ले रहे हैं, but so many times we are unaware. So Amrita, this is a very important practice for you. 1 minute reset. Every time when you are feeling anxious, stressed out, panic, you find yourself overthinking, try this out. Okay? So this is one practice which you need to do daily, apart from the pranayam and all which I usually take for you. Okay? और अब मुझे बताओ कितने लोगों को 5 4 3 2 1 मेथड चाहिए? ग्राउंडिंग एक्सरसाइज कहते हैं उसको. कितने लोगों को चाहिए? सो either you message on this, और यस दीपिका, हम लाइव रूम में वो लेने ही वाले. इट इज इन द सिलेबस फॉर यू. जितने लोगों को चाहिए, यू मैसेज ऑन दिस and I shall give you the complete practice of 5 4 3 2 1 method to come out of any of the stress situation. फिर वो आपकी रियल स्ट्रेस सिचुएशन हो या आपके माइंड ने क्रिएट की हो, राइट? और समटाइम्स इन नेक्स्ट ओरिएंटेशन कॉल I will take that method live for you, my dear. I'm here to serve you. I don't want any pregnancy journey to, walk alone. Yes, Suchita. Wednesday and Saturdays are the orientation call. That is an opportunity for all the people, whether you are in a paid circle or not, irrespective of that. You can come, you can join, you can ask questions, you can narrate your story, you can share your story, you can get your queries settled, and we practice some or the other thing in these days. So I will welcome all of you to join. Right? So, एक दुनिया का ऊपरी हिस्सा होता है पेरेंटिंग में और एक नीचे का हिस्सा होता है. नीचे का यानी कि कौन सा? जो कि बहुत बार दिखता नहीं है लेकिन उतना ही इंपॉर्टेंट होता है. मे आई शो यू दैट यू विल बी एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट बेटर. ये देखिए, ऊपर से सभी लोग ये मॉनिटर करते हैं बेबी के लिए, दैट इज ऑफ कोर्स इंपॉर्टेंट. लेकिन जिस तरह से बेबी की फिजिकल बॉडी बन रही है, उसी तरह से मेंटल बॉडी भी बन रही है, इमोशनल बॉडी बन रही है, नर्वस सिस्टम बन रहा है. तो ये सब चीजें क्या हैं जो मैटर करती हैं? दिस इज एनालॉग ऑफ आइसबर्ग. आइसबर्ग कैसे होता है? 1/4 ऊपर होता है, 3/4 नीचे होता है. तो अगर बेबी का जो है वेट, हाइट, अल्ट्रासाउंड रिपोर्ट, स्कैन्स, एवरीथिंग आर द things which we are able to see on the top. These are the things which we need to address. That is baby's foundation, emotional safety, nervous system, mother's emotional health, father's presence, relationship, nutrition, sleep, and thoughts. So I hope this is clear for you that what you need to take care of the most. दुनिया ऊपर का हिस्सा देखती है, लेकिन भविष्य आपका जो नीचे का हिस्सा है, उसके नींव पर खड़ा है. दैट इज द बेसिक फाउंडेशन, right? And epigenetics, modern science, brain anatomy, brain physiology, everything is validating towards it. So, अगर बच्चा माँ की आवाज पहचान सकता है तो बच्चा मन की शांति को भी पढ़ सकता है. फादर की आवाज से वो ग्राउंडेड हो सकता है तो फादर के प्रेजेंस से इमोशनल स्ट्रेंथ भी इनकलकेट कर सकता है, राइट? सो एज मदर्स आर इंपॉर्टेंट, इक्वली फादर्स. आपको बहुत छोटी छोटी चीजें करनी होती हैं और जिसकी वजह से यू आर द गेम चेंजर. आप सारा कुछ ले जाते हो मदर से, right? So when you are taking care of the environment in which baby is going to be born, when you hug your wife, when you be with your wife, when you just hold her hand, आप शायद सिर्फ उसको होल्ड नहीं कर रहे होते हो. यू आर एक्चुअली प्रोवाइडिंग द सेफ एनवायरमेंट फॉर द चाइल्ड टू बी born into. So please, my dear fathers, don't just run behind in making a financial stability for the family. You are the anchor for the emotional stability as well. Okay? So ask yourself how much you are preparing for becoming a good person, good human being, and in turn, good partners, so that your child is growing and nurtured with full potentials. Right? So, dear mothers and fathers, your child does not need any perfect parent. They don't need that. They only want the present parent. और जब आप रेगुलेटेड होगे तो बच्चे को रेगुलेशन पक्का सिखा सकते हो, right? So I really wish all of you a very happy Guru Purnima. But again, I will say for your child, you also choose the best gift your child deserves. Best gift your child deserves. And if this idea touched your heart, don't let this end today. Find a community that helps you keep growing. If Womb Wisdom feels like that community, you have our number, you are into that community, just step into it. Just step into it. Nothing else. I'm here to welcome you. I'm here to nurture you. I'm here to make the parents your child truly deserves. Your child truly deserves. Thank you, Soumya. And that is what I really wanted to say from my heart to your heart. आप सबको जर्नलिंग करना है, लेकिन अमृता वेरी राइटली सेड कि मैं कर नहीं रही थी क्योंकि मेरे पास पॉजिटिव कुछ था नहीं. ठीक है. So every one of you, whenever you are journaling, have it in mind that your journaling should not be pointing towards your victimhood. नो विक्टिमहुड. मेरी सास ने ये कहा, मेरे हस्बैंड ने ये सुना नहीं, मैंने नो विक्टिमहुड. यू नो अमृता, यू टेल मी वन थिंग. Leave it about your mother-in-law, leave everything about your husband, leave everything about the world. But tell me, you also have acknowledged that getting the opportunity to become a mother is the biggest miracle, biggest blessing a woman will ever have, right? The one who are struggling can understand that this is the biggest blessing. Can't you journal this one thing every day in the life that thank you, universe, for giving me this opportunity to create a life. Thank you, my dear baby, because you are spiritually attuned. So I can tell you that you have not invited a soul. The soul has chosen you. And soul wants you to learn many things before the baby is in your arms. The soul wants you to learn patience, wants you to learn forgiveness, wants you to learn the art of letting go. And that is why see all these challenges as an opportunity in your life that your soul is trying to upgrade. योर सोल इज ट्राइंग टू अपग्रेड. और जब आप ये सोचने लगोगे ना, आप सभी लोगों को, जो भी चैलेंजेस को आप इस नजरिए से देखने लग जाओगे, आई एम डैम श्योर कि आप अपने आप को कभी विक्टिम समझोगे ही नहीं. You will say, thank you, my dear mother-in-law. You are giving me the opportunity to learn how to be patient. Thank you, my dear husband. You are teaching me how to stand for myself. So everywhere gratitude is coming. Are you able to understand? And then you think कि आपका nervous system भी उसी को believe कर रहा है, and your baby is also getting the same anchor of finding the opportunity in each and every situation for your upgradation of soul. Husbands are supportive. हर रोज husband को hug करो और बोलो thank you dear husband. He is not supporting, still thank you that yes, you are teaching me to be strong, teaching to stand for my baby. In every situation, you can find one thing you can be grateful for and journal that. Second thing, healing. आप सुपरफिशियली अपने आप को बहुत सारी एक्टिविटीज में एंगेज कर सकते हो, लेकिन जब तक आप साइलेंस में नहीं बैठोगे, जब तक आप अपने थॉट्स को विटनेस नहीं करोगे, जब तक आप अपने ब्रेथ पे एंकर नहीं होगे, हीलिंग इज नॉट गोइंग टू टेक प्लेस. सो आप बाहर से कितने भी शांत दिखो, अंदर से वो तूफान और केओस हमेशा रहेगा, विच योर बेबी can get. Okay. So yes, third thing is meditation. Meditation are of various types. जब तक मन अशांत होता है, breath count, box breathing, 478 rules are the biggest anchors for you to reset your nervous system. तब हम जाके आगे जाके चक्र साधना कर सकते हैं, तब हम आगे जाकर के रेकी हीलिंग कर सकते हैं. बट फर्स्ट यू नीड टू calm down your nervous system. And the very important thing is affirmations and visualizations. For example, you feel that your husband is not supporting you enough. Maybe his story would be different. I don't know. But for affirmations, you can have the visualization and affirmation for the baby, that baby is able to respect the partner, the partner's self esteem, the partner's worth, is able to gel up perfectly. Yes. So this is how the affirmations work. Try to write down 5 to 7 affirmations for your baby. Whenever you feel anxious, whenever you feel disturbed, try to repeat this affirmation. Close your eyes. Try to visualize these affirmations already coming true for your baby. And believe me, these are going to help you a lot, and a lot for all of you. So anytime you people are all welcome to my live Bloom Flow classes, which is your complete pregnancy support, which मैं आप लोगों के पीछे पढ़ के करवा लेती हूँ. Else, Wednesday, Saturdays are the orientation calls. You can still join and you can still have your query solved. क्यों? क्योंकि प्रेगनेंसी और डिलीवरी एक ऐसे एग्जाम्स हैं जिसका सिलेबस आपको स्कूल में नहीं, सेक्रेट प्रेगनेंसी हब में सिखाया जाता है. और जब आप प्रिपेयर होकर के एग्जाम देते हो, then imagine the level of confidence you will have to handle the baby, breastfeed the baby, stimulate baby's brain, understand why it is crying, train the baby to do potty, train the baby to have the tummy time, and you will not feel anxious when your baby is crying, continuously, and you don't have anyone to help, because you will always have this community supporting you, right? So by that time, stay blessed, be calm. You all are in the group. You all have my numbers. Anytime you feel you want to take a step ahead, I'm here for you. Stay connected, stay tuned. Loads of love and tons of blessings. Thank you, dear mothers. Thank you, dear fathers, for being part of this Guru Purnima celebration. I hope from today onwards, you are going to have a check on yourself. What kind of parent are you becoming for your baby? Loads of love. Dr. Preeti Trivedi is signing off for today. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I'm in deep gratitude for all of you. Thank you so much. Love you all.